I'm Ben with the BTC Sessions, and this is your bullish bit brought to you by BitcoinWell.com, the simplest and quickest way to buy Bitcoin in the US or Canada and get it directly into your own self-custody. Check them out today at the links down below.
My son started working with us in the business on a full-time basis, just finished university. And my daughter's 18, my son's 22. He's been in the Bitcoin world for 4 years.
Nice.
Wow. Like, think about what percentage of their lives, like I was like selfishly thinking about me and the family.
Yeah.
Like, think about what percentage of their lives have been spent thinking about Bitcoin.
Wow.
Like, it's 20% of my daughter, it's over 20% of her life already. So we have another generation coming up, and they're just talking this language fluently.
Yeah.
Like, this isn't like, what are sats and how does this work? Lightning address. They're asking, what's your lightning address? How do I do this? Oh, do we have this yet? What's happening? Like, to me, having that generation coming up native almost to Bitcoin is bullish. So, and hope that it gives them for the future, because now I can have conversations with both my children about, hey, we can store the value that you're creating in something that's going to give you a better life going forward. You don't have to be an armchair economist. You don't have to be a quasi real estate investor if you don't want to. You have this ability to store your time and your labor in something that is immutable. And this to me is bullish as a father. So to me, because it changes the frame, like, now they get to think about the future differently. Offer value to the community, earn value, save in Bitcoin. My savings don't get destroyed, so I don't have to worry about what I'm going to invest in a TFSA account in Canada, and like RRSPs or 401ks. And it's like a nightmare, right? So to me, that just makes me super bullish.